Hi guys, welcome to the channel. This is your verbal mentor. This video is a part of our series on vocabulary for CAT, NMAT, IIFT, SNAP, GRE and other elite exams. If you're preparing for any of these exams, vocab is an integral part of your preparation. So I'm going to teach you 10 words in 10 minutes using the root word technique, which is technically called etymology. And today's root word is fill, which means love. Let's get started. So the first word is philanderer. Guys, the other root word in this word is ander. And ander means man or a boy. Phil is love. Ander is boy. Therefore, philanderer is a lover boy. A Casanova, a casual lover. So one who freely engages in sexual activity, one who freely seeks casual romantic relationships or sexual relationships is called a philanderer. A hunk, a dude in a modern context, in modern terminology. So if you know this guy, Dan Bilzerian, he's a renowned philanderer. Many Hollywood and Bollywood celebrities are known for their casual relationships, their philandery. It's a gender specific word, by the way. It is used only for men. So philanderer is a lover boy, a womanizer. The next word is philanthropy. Anthropo is a root word for mankind, guys. Anthropology comes from the same root. Anthropology is the study of the mankind, right? So philanthropy is love for the mankind, humanitarianism or charity. So Salman Khan's organization, Being Human, is a philanthropic organization, which means it it is involved in charitable work, humanitarian work. The next word is bibliophile. Bible is a root word for book. Bibliography, if you're aware, I'm sure you are. So biblio is a root word for book. So who's a bibliophile? A book lover, a lover of books. One who loves collecting books, reading books is called a bibliophile. Bibliophiles have a vast collection of different prints, is how you could use the word. The next word is necrophile. Guys, necro is a root word for dead, a dead body. Necrosis is a medical term which means death of a tissue. Dangerous disorder, dangerous disease. So necro, the root word necro means dead. Who's a necrophile then? One who loves dead bodies in a sexual manner. This is important. So the word, yes, one who is attracted sexually towards the dead bodies is called a necrophile. Now you may wonder, aisa bhi hota hai. Welcome to human civilization. In the underbellies of human civilization, a lot of heinous crimes are happening that we are not aware of. So necrophilia, the crime, is a culpable offense in our country. If you make out with dead bodies, it's obviously a culpable and should be a culpable offense, right? So necrophilia, dead love for the dead bodies. Xenophile or xenophile. Guys, xeno is a root word for foreign or foreigner. So who's a xenophile? A lover of foreigners or foreign things. So there are people who love imported stuff. They are xenophiles, or those who like to interact, who are attracted towards foreigners. They're also xenophiles. The upper middle class xenophiles in our country talking about nationalism. They use imported products and they are attracted towards foreigners. They praise them, they admire them, and then they talk about nationalism. Oh, that's irony cannot get better, right? So this is how you could use the word. Next is philatelist. Guys, philatelist is a lover of stamps. One who loves collecting stamps is called a philatelist. So many philatelist exhibitions keep happening in horse cars every now and then. The next one, logophile. And this is an important root word, guys. Log. A root word which means word. So who's a logophile, therefore? A lover of words. Guys, dialogue, monologue, epilogue, prologue, बिगिनिंग में बुक के जो इंट्रोडक्शन होता है दैट इज कॉल्ड प्रोलॉग. सो लॉग भूलना नहीं है, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट वर्ड है. दिस इज हाउ words are constructed. So logophiles can easily crack the MBA exams because they have a good command of English vocabulary. Okay, next one. Philology. Again, you see the same root word log here, which I told you means word. So what is philology? The study of literature or language. Love for words, language, or literature. Study of language or literature is called philology. It is also called linguistics, by the way. Study of language is also called linguistics. So linguists and philologists have been formally studying human language for decades, is how you could use the word. The next one is phylogeny. Guys, GYN, gyne, is a root word for woman. Gynecologist एकदम से आपको आप strike करेगा. So gyne कहीं पर भी देखो, it is a root word for woman. So what is phylogeny therefore? Love for women or admiration for women. If you respect women, if you admire them, if you consider them the better sex, then you are a phylogynist. You're a phylogynist. It is antonym for misogynist, if you know the word. Misogynist hates women, phylogynist loves women. A chivalrous man, by the way, chivalry is courtesy shown to women. So a chivalrous man's behavior is marked with phylogeny. Yeah, he'll open the door for a woman and all that. So a gentlemanly, so chivalrous man's behavior is marked with phylogeny. Next word, pedophile or pedophilia. Guys, pediatrician से इसको relate कर सकते हैं. Pedo is a root word for kid. So pediatrician is a child specialist doctor, yeah. So pedophilia is what? Love for kids, but this love is sexual in nature. The word is negative, therefore it's a crime, criminal offense. So if someone is attracted, sexually attracted towards kids, he's a pedophile. Many argue that those pedophile rapists of kids, must be hanged by law. FYI, Michael Jackson had charges of pedophilia against him, which were later dropped. Now, zoophilia. Zoo, I think, is easy guess. Animal, a root word for animals. So what is zoophilia? Sexual attraction or sexual love for animals is zoophilia. Again, a criminal offense. So zoophilia is punishable by law. So these are the 10 words in 10 minutes. If you like the video and if you would like to learn more about vocab, about the VARC section, about RCs, how to tackle RCs, the tips and strategies, subscribe to the channel, keep following us. And this is your verbal mentor signing off. Cheers.